Welcome to Cloud AI. In this video, we will learn about the Insights feature provided by Cloud AI. This feature lets you examine all errors and exceptions which are occurring in your applications. To access this feature for a particular log service, you will need to have a logs analyzer set up. If you do not have an analyzer set up, take a look at the tutorial video on how to set up one. The link to the video is provided in the description. We have an analyzer set up for the SockShop log service, so let's go ahead and use that. Once we are in the service details page for SockShop logs, we can navigate to its dashboard. Then, click on the Insights pane. You can also see the anomaly table from the Insights page. Just below the anomaly table is the exception table, where all errors and exceptions are recorded. To get more information on an exception, we can click on the View button at the end. Let's get more information about the Data Access Resource Failure exception. The first section of this page shows us where the exception is occurring. We can also view an Occurrence Trends chart, which captures the trend of the exception. A brief summary of the exception is given right below the chart, explaining why and how this exception usually occurs. A potential fix for the exception is also provided, which can be useful for engineers when they are resolving the issue. A list of links to Stack Overflow are given as well, in case you want to check out the community-driven solutions. If you want to monitor this exception, you can create an alert for it by clicking on the Add Alert button. The first section will prompt you to fill out the alert details. When naming the alert, you ideally want to keep it short and concise. Next, we need to set a threshold for when the alert should be triggered. Let's set this so that we get alerted when this exception occurs over 10 times in a time window of 1 hour. Now, we need to select when we want to receive the notification. Here, we have two options. Either we can get notified every time the threshold is met, or we can manually set the time using a Cron expression. Let's select every time for now. Finally, we need to configure the notification. Just like naming the alert, we would like to keep the message we receive short and concise. We want to keep the severity high because receiving these many exceptions would indicate a failure in the application. From the Channels drop-down menu, we can select which notification channel we would like to receive the alert message in. We also have the ability to assign the alert to a team member who can be responsible for monitoring or resolving the alert. Once you are ready, go ahead and click on the Create Alert button. And that's it! Dealing with errors has never been easier. Thank you for choosing Cloud AI.